Welcome back to the channel, everyone, and today is a good day. Hopefully the weather has finally cleared up. It's been trash these past couple days. I've been meaning to install this for the past 4 days now. I got a new mod for the 350. I don't know if you would call this a mod. Technically it is, technically it isn't, but I think it's gonna look pretty good. At least I hope it does, man. So let me go ahead and show you guys what we're gonna be doing today. All right, as you guys can see here, we got a big box, man. Now I'm gonna wait till I get a second set of hands over here before I fully open it up. I did inspect it though, but as you guys can see, we got a carbon fiber hood. Now this is gonna be the Anderson's composite carbon fiber hood. This is gonna be the OEM GT350 hood, but double-sided carbon fiber, real carbon fiber. We're gonna get this installed on the car. Also have the heat shields as well, because that is recommended. And I do have the hood pins, or the, I should say, latches. These are gonna be the 2020 GT500 plus style hood pins. I think these are gonna look the best on this hood. Now, what we're gonna be doing today is essentially test fitting this hood, attaching it, and then I'm gonna take this to get it clear coated. I do have an appointment to get the car paint corrected, ceramic coated next month. And then we're gonna obviously get the heat shield and the hood pins installed. I'm not doing the heat shield or the hood pins because that requires drilling. I don't trust myself. All I'm gonna do is put the hood on, make sure everything is good to go, and then take it to where it needs to go so everything is installed properly. Alright y'all, so it is the next day, and in typical Houston fashion, as soon as we got the stock hood off, literally as soon as we got the stock hood off, if you guys follow my Instagram, you guys know it started to thunder, it started to rain, and the best thing we could have done was just to get the install completed in a timely manner. And obviously recording an install and getting things done in a timely manner do not mix, so we had to get this banged out. And man, whew, it looks crazy. Now remember, this can be paint matched, and this is also the OEM hood, but in real Anderson's composite, you know, carbon fiber finish. Let's go ahead and take a look at it, man. All right, y'all, here's the hood. They got a semi-meet going on in my usual spot, but I think the lighting here will do good. This is very, very loud, and what I mean by loud is this is the exact opposite of what I normally do with my cars. Normally I have like a black or a white car. I just keep everything the same. But I want to do something different here, man. I want to do something different. I want to mix it up. I want to jump out my comfort zone. A yellow car, carbon fiber hood. Now, this is the Anderson's composite OEM carbon fiber hood. This is real carbon fiber. It is double-sided. I will go ahead and pop the hood for you guys as well, but this thing looks insane. Now we have a rough install going on right now. The hood is bolted up, the latch works, but I know you guys are gonna be blowing me up in the comment section. This hood 100% is gonna be getting the hood pins. I actually will show you guys exactly the hood pins we're gonna be rocking with, because this is a very, very light hood. This is about 10 pounds or so lighter than stock, and it's noticeable. Now obviously I'm only driving like 30 miles an hour. Just want to go ahead and showcase the hood just to make sure it looked good in the right lighting, which I do like. But I'm gonna get this hood with the hood pins, and I'm also gonna get the hood re-cleared and obviously paint corrected. Well, not really paint corrected, ceramic coated. Just protect it, because these carbon fiber hoods, they don't come with automotive grade clear on them. They come with marine clear coat. The reason they do that is because a lot of people like to go ahead and paint match the carbon fiber, or like to do some type of blending around vents or whatnot. So companies feel that it's not really necessary and a waste of time and money to put the automotive clear coat on it. Obviously it makes sense, because if you put that on the car or on the hood, you're gonna have to go ahead and strip it all off if you are trying to paint match. So that's why they don't do that. So I'm gonna literally get this hood re-cleared hopefully tomorrow. Like literally, I'm trying to get it done as soon as humanly possible. Let me know what you guys think, man. Is the hood a W or an L? Obviously, it is a very loud hood. It stands out. Well, not really stands out as far as, you know, it being like a ridiculous hood, because it literally is stock, but the car is yellow. It's loud. It's a GT350, so it's loud in that way. But honestly, I really do like it. I mean, holy shit. Now, as far as fitment goes, it's pretty good. I'm no body shop. We're no body shops. The fellas that I had help me out, thank you guys so much. I'm gonna go ahead and link their Instagrams as well in this video if you guys have not already checked them out. The fitment is pretty good. I'm gonna get it dialed in, because it does need to be dialed in before the hood pins are put on, because it has to be precise. But overall, I think we did a good job. Obviously, on this side of the hood, it is a little bit higher. The passenger side is a little bit higher than the driver's side, but that's because obviously the latches and the hinges, they need to be kind of centered in a little bit better. But we literally had to get this hood on and made sure that it latched properly, so I wasn't, you know, riding around with no hood. But for the most part, I'm fucking with it, man. I think it looks real good. I think what I'm gonna do next with the car, obviously, after I, you know, get the important things done, the hood being re-cleared, is I think I'm going to wrap the roof black. I'm not gonna do a carbon fiber wrap. That's corny. I'm just not really, I'm not into that. If you guys are, you know, that's cool, not knocking it. But for me personally, I'm just not really a carbon fiber wrap type of person. I'd rather have the real deal. I think I'm gonna go ahead and put the 2020 GT350 spoiler on here with the gurney flap. I think that would look badass. And then I'm gonna get the car re-tinted 5% all the way around, and then the windshield we're gonna do, I believe I did 35 on the white Mustang, so we're gonna do 35 again here. I think that's gonna really tie in everything that I want, and then exterior mounts will be pretty much done. Like literally there's only like what, one more thing done. Of course there's a train, so just the spoiler, the roof wrap, re-tint, and then, you know, wheels and tires will be another thing. I'm keeping the stock wheels 100%, but I'm just talking about getting another a little drag pack for the car, because you're gonna need it. You're gonna need it for sure. Man, this thing looks crazy. Let me go ahead and pop this hood for you guys. I'm trying to get you guys like as many angles as possible, just in case y'all got 350s and wanted to go with the Anderson's composite OEM hood. Now, as you guys can see underneath the hood, it is a double-sided carbon fiber. I am going to be having the heat shield installed as well, but obviously for the rough install that was not done. When I do get this obviously professionally re-cleared, PPF'd, and kind of centered properly, I'm going to have that done as well. You can see the nice thing about these Anderson's hoods is they already have provisions for the sprayers, so you don't have to cut anything. You literally just take off everything from your old hood and you put it right back on. We are reusing the OEM hood catch, latch, whatever you want to call it. We're using the OEM prop rod. Now this car, if you guys remember, this did have hood struts. With the carbon fiber hood, you actually do not want to run hood struts, so you're not going to retain the hood struts if you already have them. We are using the OEM grill as well. As you guys can see here, you transfer this from the OEM hood onto the carbon hood, and it does actually line up, so you don't have to cut any of that. I know sometimes on the website they say that you might have to do modifications. It literally snapped right in. This hood, everything pretty much snapped right in. It's just getting it to fit right is, you know, the little difficult part. So yeah, remember y'all, if you guys are trying to do a carbon fiber hood, you have to use the prop rod, or get like a stick made just to like prop the hood up if you're like into car shows. Personally, I don't really care about car shows like that. As far as like you know, showing off the engine bay, my hood stays shut. That's just the type of person I am. I don't really care about that stuff, but I think it looks mean. I think it looks mean as hell. If you guys are wondering, these are gonna be the hood pins that I'm gonna be rocking with, these quick latch pros. These are pretty much like the 2020 GT500 style hood pins. These are supposed to be really good. I know my buddy is running this on like an 800 horsepower car and he's had no issues, so I think this will look good. They come with like this matte black finish, so I think it's gonna look really, really good with the carbon fiber and also tied in with the colorway we have on the car. So like overall, I think it's gonna look pretty damn good. It's gonna look like, not really factory, but kind of like an OEM plus factory look. Like these could actually come on the car stock like they come on 2020 GT500s. Really excited to go ahead and get these on the car, pretty much dial in the hood, a little quick latch. We're rocking with these. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Just want to showcase the hood because I know a lot of you guys are wondering what a carbon fiber hood would look like in like the stock form on like a yellow or one of those, like, you know, loud color 350s. I'm really liking it, man. I'm really liking it. At first I was like, I'm gonna paint match it, but honestly, I don't know. The ricer in me just wants to leave it just like this. And I think I am. So if you guys enjoy and think it looks cool, make sure you guys drop a like on the video, subscribe to the channel, turn those post notifications. I'm really, really enjoying it. And catch you guys in the next one. Deuce.